Insects have been observed and worshipped for centuries all over the globe. In China, they believe that the praying mantis is a sign of good fortune. They celebrate his quiet stillness and see it as a manifestation of strength. His name comes from the Greek word mantikos, which means prophet, derived from the way he holds his forelegs together, as though in prayer. In African folklore, the mantis is a symbol of transformation because of his ability to face challenges with grace. His 6 legs and flexible torso allow him to get around with little difficulty. And in addition to being the only invertebrate with 3D vision, his 5 eyes mean he can see up to 60 feet ahead of him. This plays into the mantis's mindful reputation, never making a move until he has observed all his surroundings. But it also serves a more sinister purpose. The praying mantis is a fierce and unrelenting predator. His natural adaptations give him the perfect toolkit for stalking and capturing his prey. The interlocking spines on his raptorial legs act like a cage, trapping his victims inside. His 3D vision means he can react to even the slightest of movements, which allows him to expertly calculate any attack and capture his victim. Not quite as gentle as the myths would suggest.